Elementary trigonometric elimination for classes 9 and 10. This is the simplest question, the easiest question, and maybe the student will solve it, but the student must explain what gave them the idea for the first step. If they can give a reason, a logic for the first step, then their reasoning skill is excellent and trigonometry is really on the tips of their fingers. If the student can explain the first step, not doing the first step, but why did they do that step, the why part. If they can answer the why part, you can be sure their reasoning skill is at the top and trigonometry is something very easy for them. They have understood the spirit of trigonometry and trigonometric relationships. So let us see. We have to find the value of a sin theta minus b cos theta if a cos theta plus b sin theta equal to c. So let us see the trigonometric elimination method, but the student at the end, even if we show the method, the student at the end of the video must be able to answer the reason for the first step. So let us see how to solve it. So we are given a cos theta plus b sin theta equal to c and a sin theta minus b cos theta, let us suppose it's equal to y, and we have to express y in terms of a, b and c. Now first we square both sides, and this is the most important step, and the student must know why are we squaring, what is the reason, what is the logic, why are we squaring. If the student can understand why we are squaring, their math skill is at the top. So squaring both sides, the first one in accordance with a plus b whole square, a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus 2ab sin theta cos theta, that will be equal to c square. And the second line we square in accordance with a minus b whole square, so a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta is equal to y square. So square the first line and the second line and write them down below one another, but at the end of the video at least the student should be able to tell you why the squaring, why did we need to square the expression. So we got this. Now we add. So a square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta, that is a square within bracket cos square theta plus sin square theta plus b square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta, that is b square within bracket sin square theta plus cos square theta, and plus 2ab sin theta cos theta and minus 2ab sin theta cos theta will cancel out each other. Plus 2ab sin theta cos theta will cancel out minus 2ab sin theta cos theta. And on the right side we will get c square plus y square. So a square within bracket cos square theta plus sin square theta bracket close plus b square within bracket sin square theta plus cos square theta bracket close is equal to c square plus y square. Now we replace sin square theta plus cos square theta by 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So a square into 1 plus b square into 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So a square into 1 plus b square into 1 is equal to c square plus y square. That is a square plus b square is equal to c square plus y square. So y square should be equal to a square plus b square minus c square. So y will be equal to plus or minus square root of a square plus b square minus c square. Right? A square plus b square is equal to c square plus y square. So y square is a square plus b square minus c square. So y will be square root of that and prefix the mandatory plus or minus sign. So plus or minus square root of a square plus b square minus c square. So the most important step was squaring, and the student must be able to answer why did they square or why did we square. What gives the idea that we must square them first? If they can answer this question, well, their reasoning skill is okay. So ask the student, even after watching the video, why should we square, right? So the final answer, y is equal to plus or minus square root of a square plus b square minus c square. That was math challenge. Follow us for all school level math, junior and senior Olympiad math, university admission test, quantitative aptitude and numerical aptitude, and all competitive exams. And remember, all our services are entirely free of charge for students all over the world, so students from anywhere in the globe can contact us with their question and their problem. Like and share the video and subscribe to the channel and be with us. We will meet again with more useful videos, more interesting questions. Till then, thank you and goodbye.